I think the more long-term you are and the more your ability to take contrarian investments, the better you are and the better returns you'll have.
Is it more difficult now to make long-term investments just because of everything that's being thrown at us? I mean, can you say with certainty that you know what our world looks like in 10 years?
No, of course not. I haven't got a clue. I don't even know what the world is going to look like tomorrow. So it is
sunny.
So it is difficult to be a long-term investor. It's difficult because for two reasons. Everything moves faster, right?
Yeah.
So we basically talk and walk 10% faster than we did 30 years ago. It's incredible, right? So everything we do is moving faster. And sometimes the most difficult thing is not to do anything, okay? So to be long-term means that there are periods where you don't do anything. So you come home from work and it's just like, hey, what did you do today? I did nothing. Tuesday, I did nothing. Wednesday, I did nothing. You have to, your partner is going to start to wonder by Friday, what are you actually doing at work, right? So it's very complicated not to do something. And also incentive structures also they are also often encouraging people to do something. So, but the more you can live in your own world, make your own decisions independent of what other people think, the better they will be, I think.
I think everyone's talking about real estate at the moment, how it's going to crash. Again, how do you deal with, if not the hysteria, certainly a lot of market whispers about things going wrong? Yeah,
it's a complicated issue. We have big real estate holdings in many of the main cities in the world. We got nearly 1,000 investments in places like New York and Washington and Boston and so on, London, Paris. Now we probably adjusted the values down by a quarter at least, and whether they will continue down is difficult to say. It depends on interest rates. It depends on various factors.
So you get interest rates right longer term, and your portfolio, of course, is in a much better place. Is that what you try and understand and focus on every day?
I think where rates are going it's very important in terms of understanding where the returns will come.